I post it with the people, I tell them. Honestly, I just want to know looking up. I just want to know looking at people, not looking up. And clothing, you know, see there? See there? People in mattress they wet up, clothes wet up. All the house them blow down, man. No house no there, man. Nothing no there at all, man. See them, man. No house no there, my people, man. People don't get no water from the storm blow. No water. You look for food and then buy and put in the house. The water, it done. Nothing no there. People say literally are dead fitters, people. See the whole of the drum they empty. All the rainwater they fall in the drum they use it already because you know them have to be. See they looking at the drum. A dirty water, people. We can't smell in a country live so. And the politician they reach out. How Mark Golding to fly one copter come down here and then make sure so every community come down and give some people something, brother. Brother, you come and fix the thing, man. You can't make the thing look so. So me show you people hungry down here. People hungry, like literally hungry. In next 2 days, I know dead people down here. So you prefer take up some dead people and carry some food and give people them. Brother, you come make people them get food to eat and get water to drink and then something. They get some chapal in. People don't know chapal anymore. You know, look, I want 1 and 2 hours now. Everybody have to pack up and sleep. You can't make the thing look better, man. Dayton Campbell, me I beg you to come and be sans me and left all come give them some food to eat. You can't sit down. Brother, you know some of the rate and me lose off fire for now. Because when I fly over the place with the copter, me just come here. Me drive from center must come down here from me reach on here, you can't reach on here too. Dayton Campbell come here, call you out. Bro, me I beg you please, me I beg you give them some food, man. Me I beg you to give them some food. I beg you, gonna come people. See one man and knock up one place if you go sleep tonight. Brother, you don't look good. Not even water people don't have done if you bathe. Wanna full up some drum and buy some water and care and give people them my father, man. No water at all up here. And if people can't move. Me I beg you to give them some help. This don't look good. Looking at a place. Watch out, all of them clothes dirty. See